Welcome to WebStarters. Let's write a function that finds the shortest common prefix of array in JavaScript. Declare a function that takes an array of strings. Check for empty array. If the input array is empty, return an empty string. Initialize the common prefix as the first string in the array. This is the starting point comparison. Iterate through the strings in the array. Start the loop from the second element with index 1 and iterate through the array, comparing the current prefix with each string. For each string in the array, check whether the current prefix is prefix of that string using the indexOf method. If it is not a prefix, indexOf will return -1. In this case, remove the last character of the prefix using the substring method and repeat the comparison. If the prefix becomes empty, like all characters are removed, return an empty string, indicating that there is no common prefix. If the loop completes without finding an empty prefix, return the common prefix. This function works iteratively, reducing the prefix to the common part of all the strings in the array, ensuring that the result is a prefix of all the strings. Call this function by passing an array of strings to it. In this case, the answer is FL. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.